everyone, so you might have figured out from the video that I'm going to be doing a pretty notes video. So I generally take pretty notes in some of the subjects that I am taking, and I think it's a very fun way to learn. And if you especially don't like studying, making pretty notes might encourage you to study more, and it just makes your notebook look really pretty. So before starting, let us just go over some of the stationery that you might require. Now this stationery you can find around the house, however if not, the stationery that I am going to be showing is very affordable and it is very economical, so you can definitely buy it on Amazon or in a local supermarket or anything like that. So the first thing is using rulers and compass. That will make your notes more precise and it just looks clean. And then a nice thing to have is highlighters. So before you even start writing your notes, I prefer to pick a topic. Pick a topic that you like or you don't like. Just pick a normal topic that is not too big. And then you can pick your color scheme. So you can do like warm colors or cool colors, or if you're a beginner, I prefer you to choose one color. So choose one color that is your favorite, or it's a color where you have a lot of stationery, and just pick up everything with that color in your stationery. Now I've already done a video about this, like making art with only one color. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But today I picked the color green, so I have green washi tapes, green sketch pens, and green brush pen, and green fine liners, and also green flags, and yeah, green washi tape as well. So cute. So, and also the topic I've picked is ray diagrams. So ray diagrams come in your 10th grade CBSE, and I am not a huge fan of ray diagrams, so that's why I made pretty notes, and it makes me that much fun and excited about studying. So yeah, let me just give you an overview of what I did. So this first phase is mainly consisted of concave mirror ray diagrams, and I've highlighted some parts and it just makes the diagrams pop. And I've also used like highlighter, and this is washi tape. So again, using what you have to make pretty notes. So let us just move to the next page. So in this page, this is a tabular column. So if you want to do like tables, you can do this. So this is basically like a table, and again I've added lots of pops of color, and I've also used black to kind of dim the color a bit so it's easier. And like if you look at a notebook and all you see is green, then that's not very fun. So I do advise you to use a little bit of black ink as well. And again I used washi tapes and like the highlighter and the brush tip to kind of make this tabular column more fun and exciting. And also giving information of like where it's from in the textbook. So this is the image formation by a concave mirror for different positions of the object. This is the title given in the textbook. So if I'm studying from a textbook, I can easily identify, oh, this tabular column is on that page. So this is the next topic. So again I have a subtitle here. And then I also have a smaller subtitle saying, giving some more information, and the diagrams and the tabular column, washi tape, and yeah, the other highlighter and stuff like that. And then here I have all the rules. So for ray diagram, these are the rules and stuff. So again, I've divided the page into half, concave and convex. This is much more easier to study than what is in the textbook. So in the CBSE textbook, the same information of this is given in these two particular pages. And as you can see, the diagrams are very boring for me. And I mean, you think about it. Is it easier to study in this manner or in this manner? I know, definitely this. I'm not trying to show any hatred towards the textbooks. They're awesome. You need to have these kind of textbooks for nice studying. But if you're a fun learner like me, then having some colorful notes will definitely make your education more fun and productive. So yeah, and also the next page I have the ray diagrams. These are the lenses ones. Again, I've used like color to pop it out, but I did not go overboard. And again the tabular column and washi tapes. So all of these 4 pages, these 5 pages are done by only a few pieces of stationery. Like, I did not use very expensive markers or very expensive pens or whatever. I used whatever I found around the house and just made something nice. And this is a great way to study, especially in the holidays. If you're too lazy or if you just want a break, you can still have fun while studying. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below what you want to see next. Also, subscribe to my channel because a lot of you are actually not subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button really quick and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.